What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about 6 websites you can make money online as a teenager in 2019. So stay tuned, all right? So if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say an absolute welcome. Subscribe, smash that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know where you're watching this from. Whether it's your country, state, or city, it doesn't matter. I always want to give a shout out. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back. And we're going to jump into things right away and let you know that on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, entrepreneurship, motivation, and how to boost your financial situation. All right. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you guys 6 websites to make money online as a teenager in 2019. All right, so I'm going to share my screen real quick. And here we go. The first website I'm going to show you guys, this is called ThreadUp. So it's threadup.com. So basically, if you have some clothes in your closet that you want to get rid of, right? You can come on here, you can sign up, and you can sell your clothes on here right now and make money online. So if you got some, if you got like Coach, you have J. Crew, right? Jade Spade, and there's some other brands as well. So feel free to go through here. They have like dresses, casual, cocktail, work clothing, all these different things. They got bags, right? Shoes and all that type of stuff. So if you got a closet that is full of clothes, feel free to check this out. As you can see right here, you can click on where it says clean out. So basically, clean out meaning, sell your clothes, right? Sell your clothes. Simply simplify your life and show your closets who's boss, right? So how it works, right? You fill the bag, you send it off, right? Feel instant stress relief. So they give you all the instructions there, and as you can see, you can mail it out right away. And what you want to get rid of, feel free, you could sell it online. So that was number 6. All right. Number 5, the next one, what you guys can do to make money online as a teenager is musicxray.com. And musicxray.com, right? How it works, you watch video and sign up. Watch the video and you sign up right away. So when the music arrives in your inbox, you get paid to listen music. So you can make some money right now, starting off just by signing up for free. All right, so feel free to jump on that and sign up for musicxray.com. All right, and number 4 is a website that's called Writer Access. So writeraccess.com. It's a place where you're looking for freelance writers. So you can sign up for it, right? And if you're a writer and you want to start by writing, different articles, because there's many companies out there that can actually, they're looking for people who are writers, content creators, and they just want to, pay you for your work. So you can get paid just by writing. So all the instructions are there, right? You could just scroll down and see what it is that you need. Down here, this is if you want to sign up for their membership stuff, right? But you're not looking for that. You definitely want to sign up and, open up an account, and you can start to write for these people. They will pay you, all right? Number 3, Snag. Snag.com is a place where, hire great hourly employees. So there's odd jobs on here, right? There's a lot of different jobs in your area. So all you got to do is just put in your area code, all that type of stuff. And as you can see here, down here, they got hairstylists, they got retail, sales associate, driver helper, all these things. So you can make money as a teenager doing this as well. So if you click on where it says job seekers, employers, people post their work, all that type of stuff. All right. Number 2 is Etsy. So on Etsy, you basically can sell all different type of stuff. So they got like great value here. So you can just create everything and just put it up and sell it on Etsy. So we all know that Etsy's, you got to be on the creative side. So if you're creative, you can open up an Etsy store and you can start to sell things online. Just click on there, fill out the information, and you're on your way to start making money online. And number one is Inbox Dollar. So Inbox Dollar is watching how they reward you. You can watch TV, taking surveys, shopping, and cash offers as well. So as you can see, they're giving a free $5 sign-up bonus. So sign up, right? And you can earn cash right away. So you could just start doing activities, right? Give your opinion on something. So how you earn cash, right? You take surveys, you can watch videos, right? You can get rewarded by playing games, coupon rewards, get paid to read emails, and cash back for online shopping. So those are the 6 websites that you guys can use right away to make money online as a teenager in 2019. I hope this video helps. And if you guys are looking for my number 1 recommendation, of course, once you're 18 years and older, then you could check out what we have going on as well. But also, you could still sign up, but you definitely have to let your parents or someone else fill that form out for you so you can get paid. But otherwise, you can sign up. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and subscribe. Peace. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.